everyone! In this video, we'll be going over basic computer commands. Take out a piece of paper and write down these 15 words. We'll be going over what all of these are in this video. Also, in our Zoom session on Wednesday, we'll go over these commands. Turn on and off. To turn off, you press the power button. On the Lenovo ThinkPad, it should be on the right side, but depending on what type of computer you have, it might be somewhere else. Now, to turn off your computer, you can hold down this button again, but you have to hold it for several seconds until the computer turns off. Only do this if your computer isn't working or freezes. But normally, to power down, it's better to go to shutdown. Let me show you how to do that. This video actually explains how to turn the power off. You click on the start button, click on the power button, and you get choices. So you can click shut down. You could also choose restart, which means you shut down and start back again, or you can choose sleep, which means it just saves energy. Please make sure every time you use your computer to shut it down properly. Don't just press the power button. This is the best way to do it because it turns off your applications and shuts down your computer safely. Log in, log off. We do this with many networks, like email, Canvas, Facebook. To log in, you enter your username or email and password. And to log off, you click somewhere, you click on the menu and then log out. For Canvas, you click on your account, which is the little face, to get to log out. Each program is a little different, but make sure you log off so that you can exit safely and no one else can enter your account or access your personal information. Now, there are many devices you can use to control your computer. We've already gone over these over here: keyboard, mouse, touchscreen, trackpad, trackpoint. These all control your computer. And these devices can do similar things. They can control the cursor, which is this right here. They give commands to your computer. Now, let's talk about the commands for a mouse and trackpad. When I say click, this just means to click the left button quickly. Or on the trackpad, you would just click on the left side one time. Right click is on the other side, and you just click it one time. When you right click, you open a menu. Double click is the left button, and you do it 2 times quickly. And we do this to open a file or program. Let me show you. So here's my desktop. If I just click on, let's say, Google Chrome one time, it just selects it. If I want to open, I have to double click 2 times fast, 1, 2, and then it opens. When I right click, I'm going to click on the right button or the right side of my trackpad. You'll see a menu open. This is a menu. It gives you different options. For example, you can delete, you can go to the properties, you can open it, you can send it somewhere. So anytime you right click, it gives you some options. Like here's a file, I might want to edit it, or delete it, or rename it, or print it. So right click opens a menu, but double click opens. And if you just click once, it just selects it. It's selected. Another important command is scroll. Scroll up and down. If you have a mouse, you can use the scroll wheel, or if you have a trackpad, just use 1 or 2 fingers to go up and down. You can also scroll right to left. You can use the scroll bars to do that. You can go up and down and left to right. Here you could use the mouse or the trackpad to go up and down websites or pages. Now I want to talk about highlighting. How do you highlight a text? So let's say I'm at this website, and I want to copy something. So I'm reading this, and I really like this sentence, and I want to copy it. How do I highlight? Like this. This is, right now I'm highlighting. The way you highlight is you click. So I click and I hold down my finger, I drag, I move my mouse, and then I release. So I'll show you again. I start here, I click, and I hold down my mouse over the area, and then I release. So now I'm highlighting. And then I can right click and choose different things. Maybe I want to print this, or I want to copy it, or maybe search Google. So that's highlighting. I'll show you again. You click, drag, I'm moving my mouse, and then I release. And then to exit, you left click. You click outside of that area to release the highlight. We'll practice this more when we're learning how to use Word. Now, many of us have touch screens with our tablets, with our smartphones. I wanted to teach you a few words. Some of the basic commands are swipe left, right, up, and down. That means using your finger and going left and right and up and down. We say swipe. Or maybe you tap. So you move your finger and you touch it, right? You touch an icon to open something, so you tap. Press and hold, and slide to drag. We can slide to move apps. And this website gives more information on how to use touchscreens. Save and print. Sometimes we find information or we have documents we want to save or print. How do you do this? You go to the File menu to save and print. When you save, give your file a name and choose a place to save it. So for example, let's say you like this page and you want to print it or save it. I'm clicking here. The 3 dots is a menu. I can do print, okay? And then you can choose which printer you want to connect, or sometimes I save it as a PDF. You can save it. Or let's say you have a homework. Let's say this is a homework assignment and you want to save it. You would click on File, Save, or Save As. So Save As, and you pick where do you want to save it. I like to save things on my desktop because it's easy. This is the desktop, so I can save this on the desktop, and maybe I give it a name. So maybe this is my math homework, or you can create a folder, and so you keep all your documents in the same folder. This is all your math homework. Maybe this is your math homework from September 3rd, so you might do that, and then you want to save it in your folder, and then you press save. And then here, later, when I want to find my math homework, I have my folder, and then here's my math homework with it. So those are the basic commands. Please feel free to watch this video as many times as you want and come join us in Zoom to learn more about basic computer commands.